People with low self-esteem always do this. Most people, I'm talking like 99%, don't understand how self-esteem really works. But it's actually super simple. Think about this. When someone makes a promise to you and then doesn't follow through, you start to lose trust in them, right? If they break that promise again, you trust them even less. And if they keep failing you over and over, eventually, you just stop believing them altogether. Now, here's what a lot of people don't realize. The same thing happens in your relationship with yourself. How can you expect to have self-esteem or trust yourself if you're constantly breaking promises to yourself? For example, you're exhausted after a long day at work and promise yourself that you will go to bed early. But then you get home, turn on Netflix, and before you know it, it's 2 a.m. and you've been scrolling through YouTube for hours. You broke your own promise. You lost a little trust in yourself. Then, it's the weekend, and you try to button your jeans and they don't fit. You tell yourself, okay, Monday, I'm starting a diet. You buy all the healthy groceries, get excited, and believe this time will be different. But then Monday comes around. You have a rough day at work, and when you get home, you raid the fridge and eat everything in sight. You feel disgusted with yourself, disappointed, and lose even more trust because you broke another promise. How can you trust yourself when every time you make a promise, you break it? Here's the thing. People often think someone with a great body has high self-esteem because of how they look. But it's not just about their body. It's about the fact that when they make a promise to themselves, they follow through. They promise themselves they'll hit the gym every day and they do. They commit to eating a certain way and they stick to it. They say they won't drink alcohol this week and they don't. They trust themselves because they've earned it. Every promise they make, they keep. That's how they build self-confidence. On the other hand, when you see someone with low self-esteem who doesn't trust themselves, it's easy to understand why. They can't trust themselves because they break every promise they make. They tell themselves they'll start working out, pay for a year-long gym membership, but after 2 weeks, they quit. Self-esteem and self-trust aren't things that just magically appear. You have to earn them. Every time you make a promise and keep it, your self-trust grows a little more. You make another promise and keep that one too. Slowly, brick by brick, you build a solid foundation of trust and confidence. But it's a process. There's a book that can really help with this. It shows how being consistent with small changes can help. You quickly build self-esteem, improve your body, and get your life on track. The book is called Atomic Habits. And if you want me to do a video of it, let me know in the comments.